Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Okay, first of all, if you have set any alphanumeric password, if you would like to change it to new one, yes, you could do it. What you have to do is just follow this video. First of all, I show my alphanumeric password. I lock my phone and try to unlock, and it will be asking alphanumeric password. Okay, so I give it pingy5. okay, so yes, it enters. Now I would like to change this pingy5 to new one. Okay, so what I got to do, go to settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, and click on screen lock type. Once again it will ask your current password for confirmation. Okay, that is alphanumeric password, so give your current one. Okay, so pingy5. okay, now click on password again and set new one. Okay, here I would like to set that Siraj 6. Okay, click on continue. Again I got to type the same one. Okay, type the same one, Siraj 6. Okay, password don't match, so I have made a mistake. So you have to type the same one. Okay, instead of J I typed I. Okay, and yes, it is set now. Oh yes, it is changed from pingy5 to Siraj 6. Okay, and now I check. Go to lock your phone, lock it, and try to unlock, and it will ask your current password. Okay, so current password now Siraj 6 in my case. Okay, click on done. Yes, it's working very well. So in this way you can easily change alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.